And hi guys, wait. Hi guys, welcome my video. So ngayon, papakita ko po sa inyo kung saan ko po nakuha ang santo na mod sa Minecraft. Pumunta lang po kayo dito sa Google na to. And search nyo po RStudio.
Moments later, Wilted charged straight in and met the same fate. I revived him and rushed to town, but when I looked back, Wilted was already messing with Oliver's corpse again. No bandages. We had to wait until the fortress to revive Oliver. On the train, Wilted started dangling Oliver's body over the edge while it was moving.
Diyan po kayo mamimili ng mga santo.
At the fortress, I revived him and he immediately considered buying guns.
Yan.
But before he could, Wilted
Lahat po yan sa kanila po nang gagaling niya, mga apostolis. And ito, hindi ko napakita.
Wilted threw a painting off the side and jumped after it. Oliver debated blowing him up, then did it anyway. At this point, we just welded Wilted to the train, so we
Kahit
stopped
ano
wasting
po,
time.
kahit ano po, nandyan na po sa kanila yan. Lahat po yan, lahat.
And just like that, game over.
And ito,
I set out to beat Dead Rails with 4 of my followers. A decision I'd soon regret. Wilted, right off the bat, bought 2 torches instead of coal,
Station
then
of
claimed
the Cross. Yan.
Dead Rails new update just dropped, and now we're all horses. No train.
Hindi ko po maklik yung link.
Snake oil thinking I'd be prepared.
Tsaka yan na po, dyan po ako nakakuha ng mga santo. I-click nyo lang po to. Ito po, i-click nyo lang po yan. And ito.
I stayed outside, and werewolves ripped me apart. I got revived, but something changed.
And ayan, yan po, pipindutin nyo po yan hanggang ma-download nyo. Yan, click download, open. Dito, kapag di nyo makita yung Minecraft, dito lang po siya. Yan, and yan na po. Meron na po kayong santo. Siyempre, hindi nyo muna makukuha yung santo. Kailangan nyo muna gumawa ng inyong simbahan. Yan, makikita nyo sa taas. And create world. Yan. Create new world. Yan. And yan, dito nyo makikita. Ayan. Yan yung makikita ang mga santo. Marami na po akong ganyan. Yan. Makikita nyo po mga RStudio po yan. Yan po sa kanila nang gagaling ang mga santo. And shout out nga po pala sa mga tao, ang mga members ng RStudio. Shout out po sa inyo. And dyan na po matatapos ang video. Salamat sa panunood.